Students, let's discuss exercise 12.2. First Roman. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if angle of the sector is 60 degree. The radius of the circle is given 6 centimeter and the angle of the sector is 60 degree. Then we need to find out the area of sector. Okay, so the center point of the sector is O and this point A and B and the length of the arc is C. So here we know the angle of sector and we know the radius of the sector. So easily we can find out the area. So area of sector angle already we know that. What is the formula for area of sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So we know the theta angle of the sector is 60. So 60 divided by 360 into pi value is 22 by 7 into 6 square. Okay, so 60 by 360 is 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6. If we simplify, you will be get the answer is 132 by 7 centimeter square. So therefore the area of the sector of the circle making 60 degree at the center of the angle is 172 by 7 centimeter square. Okay, so this area of the sector is 132 divided by 7 centimeter square. Students, let's discuss exercise 12.2 second sum. Find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Actually here we need to find out the area of quadrant. At the same time the circumference of the circle is given 22 centimeter. So the quadrant means the angle contains 90 degree. Okay, so the quadrant of the circle is 90 degree, that is a right angle. Okay, so this part is quadrant. Here we know the angle, that is 90 degree, but we need to find out the radius of the circle. So first we need to find out the radius of the circle. Without knowing the radius of the circle we cannot find out the area of this quadrant. So how to find out the radius of the circle? By given condition. So the circumference we know that 22 centimeter. So use circumference formula is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r equal to 22. So the radius is 22 divided by 2 pi. 2 pi transpose to right hand side. So 11 divided by pi. Okay. So the radius of the circle we know that 11 divided by pi. And the next we need to find out the area of this quadrant. So already we know that the area of quadrant formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. So the angle is 90 degree. So 90 by 360 into pi into r square. So r value is 11 divided by pi. So 11 divided by pi the whole square. And 11 square we know that 121 and pi square. Okay, here 2 pi's are there, pi into pi. So 1 pi will be cancelled. Remaining 1 pi, so 4 pi, 121 divided by 4 pi. So pi value we know this 22 by 7. This 22 by 7, just to take reciprocal, that will be 7 by 22. Then you can simplify. If you simplify we get the answer as 77 divided by 8 centimeter square. So the area of quadrant is 77 divided by 8 centimeter square. Students, let us discuss exercise 12.2 third sum. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Actually here we need to find out the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay. At the same time, here given the length of minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Okay, so the minute hand, this is 14 centimeter. So here we consider this is the radius of the circle. So the radius of the circle is 14 centimeter. Okay, so the minute hand. So how to find out this angle? So already we know that the total angle of the circle is 360 degree. Here totally, you know that the clock contains 12 numbers. Okay, so 360 divided by 12, 30. Okay, so after 5 minutes the clock will be reach as 1. Okay, so the angle is 30 degrees. So the angle in between 12 and 1 is 30 degree. Angle is 30 degree and the radius is 14 centimeter. So easily we can find out this area. So area of the sector, you know that the area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Then substitute the values here, 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 is pi value into 14 into 14. Then simplify. Then you will be get 22 by 12 into 2 into 14. So finally we get the answer as 144 divided by 3 centimeter square. So therefore area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. Students, let's discuss exercise 12.2 fourth question. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment, major sector. Actually, here we need to find out the minor sector and the minor segment and major sector. Okay, a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle. Okay, so the radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. Okay, so the angle 90 degree that is subtended to chord. Okay, this angle 90 degrees subtended is called AB. Okay, given the angle is 90 degree. Okay, so by using this we need to find out the major sector of the circle. Actually this is the major sector. At the same time minor segment. Okay, the minor segment of the circle is ACB. This is minor segment. So how to find out this minor segment and major sector? Okay, so to find this minor segment, first we need to find out the sector, area of sector ACB. Okay, so after finding this area of sector, we need to find out the area of this triangle, triangle ABO. Then we need to subtract the area of circle from the area of sector. So easily we can find out the minor segment. Then you know that how to find out the major sector. Okay, for the major sector you know the angle. This is 90 degree means the remaining angle is 270 degree. At the same time radius also you know the 10 centimeter. So easily you can find out the area of this sector. Okay, let's discuss. So first we need to find out the major sector. Okay, so area of major sector O A D B, this major sector. Okay, so directly you can take 270 degree theta by 360 into pi r square. So the area of major sector is 235.5 centimeter square, that is AC. For the minor sector, first we need to find out the sector area of sector OACB, then the area of triangle OAB. So area of minor sector OACB equal to 90 divided by 360 degree into pi r square. So we know the angle 90 degree. Yes. Then if you substitute the value of r 10 into 10, thereafter simplification will be get 78.5 centimeter square. Next we need to find out the area of triangle OAB from the diagram. So we know the formula for area of triangle half into base into height. So base is OA, height is OB, because that is a right angled triangle. So here the base and height both also 10 centimeter only. So 10 into 10. If we simplify, you'll be get 50 centimeter square. So area of minor segment AC equal to area of minor sector OACB minus area of triangle OAB equal to, we know that 78.5 minus 50 equal to 28.5 centimeter square. This is area of minor segment. So we found the area of major sector and area of minor segment. Students, let's discuss exercise 10.2 fifth sum. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So find the length of the arc, area of the sector formed by the arc, area of the segment forced by the corresponding chord. The last one we need to find out the segment. Okay. So here already given the radius of the circle is 21 centimeter. Angle subtended by the arc is 60 degree. But we need to find out the area of segment forced by the corresponding chord. Okay. Actually, this is subtended angle 60 degree. Okay, the angle subtended to arc. At the same time, that arc that intersecting two points A and B can make a chord. Okay, actually the area of segment ACB, that is the third subdivision. Okay, so for the first subdivision, first we need to find out the length of arc. So length of arc, we know that how to find out. The formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi. Yeah, substitute the angles and radius in the given formula, then will we get the answer is 22 centimeter. Next we need to find out area of sector. So we know that area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Then substitute in the formula, then we will be get the answer is 231 centimeter square. Next, we need to find out the segment. If you want to find out the segment, we must know that the area of triangle OAB. For this triangle, we know these two sides, OA and OB, but we don't know the third side AB. If we know the third side AB, we can find out the area of triangle, or else if we know the base and height AB and OD, we can find out the area of triangle. But here we know that the sides OA and OB. Then how to find out the sides AB? So first here we need to check the given triangle as equilateral triangle or not. Okay. So see here, the angle is 60 degree. At the same time, These two sides are equal. That means these two are, this is isosceles triangle. For the isosceles triangle, we know that the angles also equal. So this angle is 60 degree. So already we know that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So the remaining angle is 120 degree. So the 120 degree we can split 60 and 60. So 60, 60, 60. So all the angles are 60 degree. So all the angles are 60 degree means we can say that that is equilateral triangle. So how to find out the area of equilateral triangle? We discussed in this previous classes. So area of equilateral triangle is root 3 divided by 4 a square, that is side square. So let's substitute in this formula. So area of triangle OAB is square root of 3 divided by 4 into side square. Side is 21. If we simplify, we get 441 square root of 3 divided by 4 centimeter square. Okay. So area of segment ACB equal to area of sector OACB. So first we need to find out the area of sector OACB, because here we know the angles 60 degree and the radius 21. Okay. So the area of the sector will be 231 minus area of triangle OAB is 441 divided by 4 square root of 3 centimeter square. Hereafter we can't simplify because square root of 3 is a rational number. If we simplify, we'll get approximate value.